What is leverage? Leverage is borrowed money used to invest, which is very common in forex trading. By borrowing money from a broker, investors or traders can trade larger positions than they deposit in their trading account. Utilizing leverage in a trade introduces the possibility of higher profit or incurring losses exceeding the funds deposited in your trading account. Therefore, leverage magnifies both profit and losses in alignment with market movements. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Higher leverage presents increased potential returns, but it also entails a heightened risk of greater losses. During your trading account creation at your brokerage firm website, you will be presented with some ratio values when asked to choose your leverage. Leverage is presented as a ratio or multiple. For instance, trading using leverage of 100 to ratio 1 means that for every 1 USD of available margin that you have in your account, you can place a trade worth up to 100 USD. 1 to ratio 1 means that for every 1 USD available margin that you have in your account, you can place a trade worth up to 1 USD. 1 ratio 1 means you are not using leverage. 200 to ratio 1 means that for every 1 USD available margin that you have in your account, you can place a trade up to $200. Likewise, 500 to ratio 1 means that for every 1 USD of available margin that you have in your account, you can place a trade up to 500 USD. The same is applicable for 1000 to ratio 1, 2000 to ratio 1 and above. Looking for a brokerage firm that offers flexibility in leverage switch from higher to lower leverage or from lower leverage to higher leverage without limitation? Register a live trading account through the broker's recommendation link in the description of this video. There are two ways to calculate leverage in trading. Option 1, using an online leverage calculator tool. Option 2, manually calculating leverage as a trader. There are free online leverage calculator tools. Check the links in the description of this video to bookmark those links for easy calculation of your leverage in trading. On this website, select the currency pair you want to trade with leverage. Select your account currency. This should be your account-based currency. Account-based currency means the primary currency of your account as specified in your account opening with your brokerage firm. Input your margin value. Margin is the amount of money you need to have and maintain in your account to cover any active opened positions. Margin is perceived as a commitment. When trading, you are only required to provide a small amount of capital to open and maintain a new position. This capital is known as the margin. Want to learn more about balance, equity, margin, free margin, margin level, commission, and swap? Refer to the description of this video to access those tutorials. Input the trade size lots. Next, you will see the currency exchange rate for the currency pair you selected or you want to trade. Finally, click on the Calculate tab and you will get the leverage calculated result. Interested in learning more about how to calculate leverage using the online leverage calculator tool? Check the tutorial link in the description of this video or tap on the suggestion box right here at the top right corner here. Now, let's see how we can manually calculate leverage in trading. Consider this scenario. If you choose a leverage ratio of 100 to 1, this means for every 1 USD, you can take a trade of 100 USD. Therefore, the max position with a trading account balance of $100 with leverage of 100 to ratio 1 is $100 multiplied by 100 divided by ratio 1. This equals to $10,000 max position size. This means for you to execute a $10,000 position size, your broker reserves $100 from your account. Effectively, you are managing $10,000 with a mere $100. That sounds crazy, right? That is the power of leverage in trading. Let's replicate this scenario to pips value on a standard trading account on GBP paired against USD currency pairs with a trading account balance of $10,000 based on one lot position size. Remember, 1 pip movement on a standard trading account of 100,000 units, one lot position size on GBP USD is $10. It will take 10 pips appreciation to make $100 on the trading account of $10,000 with ratio 1-to-1 leverage, or if you are not leverage trading on GBP paired against USD. This account will turn $10,000 and 100, which is 1% gain. 10 pips depreciation will result in a $100 loss on the trading account of $10,000 with ratio 1-to-1 leverage, or if you are not trading on leverage on GBP paired against USD. This account will turn $9,900, which is a 1% loss. It will take 10 pips appreciation to make $10,000 on the trading account of $10,000 with leverage 100-to-1 if you leverage trade on GBP USD. This account will turn $20,000, which is a 100% gain. It will take just 10 pip depreciation to wipe out a trading account of $10,000 trading on 100 to ratio 1 leverage. This account will turn $0, which is 100% loss. Don't be surprised if your account even runs into minus, whereby you are indebted to your brokerage firm. It is crucial to recognize the amplified impact of leverage, both positive and negative, on your overall returns before making your decision. And there you have it, traders, a thorough guide on pips, spread, lot size, leverage, which are crucial elements that shape the landscape of trading. Remember, trading is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Practice, refine, and most importantly, trade with discipline. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget that choosing the right brokerage firm is essential for successful trading. Tap on the link in the description of this video to view the list of my recommended brokers. Register a live trading account through the link to qualify for a top-up bonus on each deposit. Interested in getting free access to daily and weekly market setup ideas in the forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, and index markets, usually referred to as trading signals? Check out the links in the description of this video. Also, if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Wishing you successful and profitable trades. Take care and see you in the next one.